Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove bounced emails from Constant Contact. All right. So in here on the website, just go ahead over to the left panel and click on reporting. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and go to the very bottom. All right. You'll be able to see your bounced performance in here. Then just go ahead and scroll all the way down. And here we have the email campaigns. All you have to do is just select the campaign. For example, this campaign. The bounced metrics of this campaign, click on bounced percentage, click on it, wait for a new page to load. All right, once it loads, you'll be able to see a list of email addresses in here. Now, there's this great feature of Constant Contact where you can go ahead and select under here all types. Okay, you can go ahead and select email addresses that is recommended for removal. Just click on it, and there'll be a list in here. There are some bounce types that have a high probability of being permanently invalid, and it's best that they be removed right away. Right? Now, to assist with this, again, Constant Contact has this great feature. You also have non-existent, suspended, undeliverable right here. Now, once you have the list of emails, go ahead and select all if you want to delete them all. And then at the top right here, we have the option to select an action. Just click on it and just basically click on delete to delete all contacts in this list. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.